ರೋಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Hello YouTube, time is around 9 in the morning and I'm super excited today because I'm going for a ride. So yeah guys, like actually me and my friend we thought of going to Sakleshpura, but unfortunately he didn't go the off. So since I was having this riding anxiety, I didn't want to cancel the plan. So I asked for suggestions from few of my friends, and a friend of mine he suggested me to the place where I'm going now. So yeah guys, like why to waste time, let's get started.
I am going to this place called Bangatimari Betta, which is in Kanakpura Road. And Betta means, Betta is a Kannada word which translates to hill in English. And this is almost 60 kilometers from my place. And as observed, like there is a slight voltage in my battery once again. Like it is showing inaccurate timings. And also I need to put some fuel. For those who are new, I heartily welcome you all. And I really want our channel to grow big. For that I need your support guys. Like in case you like the content, do hit the subscribe button, which really means a lot to me. And man, the temperature, it is somewhere around 21 degrees Celsius, and this is the reason why most of the people love Bangalore.
Baby, don't just like me, to mess up a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than back when we had it easy.
And you know what? This Bangalore Kanakpura highway is closely connected to my heart because I did my engineering in one of the college nearby, and I used to travel in the same road again and again, and even now I'm not quite bored of this road.
Don't believe me when I say I'll change, but how can I lose you now? Whoa, the silence is way too loud. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay without you every day. Baby, don't run away. Baby, don't throw our love away.
And also I'd like to thank you all for all the support which you showed for my last two videos. Yeesh. Guys, someone is literally puking and I miss those holy showers.
So alright guys, I stopped for some water break. So I crossed Somnalli and my destination will be in another 25 kilometers from here. I'll take some rest, then we'll start moving ahead.
So chalo, anyway, let's continue with our ride.
Baby, don't throw our love away. Away,
Need to take a slight deviation from here in another 4 or 5 kilometers. And man, to tell frankly, this fruit is amazing. So from Kanakpura highway you need to take a right turn out here, which will direct you into some village. Ooh. So from the intersection road you need to take a left, which will connect you to this beautiful town. whenever you encounter a dog, try to be as silent as possible, because a dog might get freaked out by looking at our gears and stuff which she is not familiar with. It's not only about the roadside dogs, even our own dogs might feel the same way. Oh my god. My god, is it asking me to do some off-road? I think yes.
So yeah guys, I reached the destination and this is the hill which I was talking about. And unfortunately I can't go to the top of it because this is a proper off-road trail and my bike is not meant for that. And also I do have an alternate option, like I can go by walk, but I'm feeling little insecure about my bike because I'm the only person out here and there are few localites here and there. So chalo, anyway, take care guys, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.